Hi everyone. The real power of exponential growth. Think about this. What if Elon Musk's money doubled every single day for just 1 month? At first, you'd probably think, wow, that's so much money. But then, things start getting out of control. This is the real magic and danger of exponential growth. First, let's understand the difference between linear growth and exponential growth. If Elon just added $1 million every day, in 30 days, he'd have $30 million. Simple, predictable, manageable. But in exponential growth, the money doubles every day. Day 1, $1 million. Day 2, $2 million. Day 3, $4 million. And by day 30, $536,870,912 million. Imagine, in just 30 days, Elon Musk's money could become a significant portion of the world's GDP. This is the real magic of the compound effect. A small amount, repeated consistently, can create unimaginable impact in your life. Example, if you invest just $1 daily with a 7% yearly return in 30 years, you don't just get $94,000, you could end up with hundreds of thousands of dollars. The principle of exponential growth and compounding isn't just for money, it applies to skills, habits, and knowledge too. Improving a little bit every day, over 10 years, your results could literally be game-changing. Now, let's talk about myths. Myth number 1, big earnings happen only by luck. Wrong. Fact, exponential growth and compounding can predictably create huge wealth. Myth number 2, if money doubles, it'll be uncontrollable. Wrong. Fact, data and math show that using formulas and predictable patterns, growth can be managed. Myth number 3, only big players can achieve this. Wrong. Small steps over time can help anyone achieve exponential growth. This is the lesson of data versus myths. Believe after understanding, not blindly. Now, imagine if you applied the same idea to your skills, health, and knowledge, improving a little bit each day, like Elon's money doubling. Day 1, you read 10 minutes. Day 2, 11 minutes. Day 30, 30 minutes. And in 1 year, you'd become an expert. Exponential growth shows that small, consistent actions can make the impossible possible. And this doesn't just apply to money, it can transform every aspect of your life. So what's the next step? Don't wait for luck. Use data, math, and exponential thinking. Small improvements every day, learning every day, investing every day. This is the true power of exponential growth. Think, plan, and multiply your future. Idea, money.